So today it is one of the very interesting topic practical session. That is session is called triple five timer IC. So triple five timers. Just you will going to recap. So I asked three questions. Okay, you were answered very nicely about that three questions. First question. So who is a student? I'm asked. You said we are the student. Yes, nice. Okay, then second question I am asked. So gender wise, okay, the student is classified gender wise. So you said about the male and a female student or boys or girl student. You have said about that one. The student is classified as a gender wise, male student and a female students. Like then second one, what is the purpose you are coming to the college? I'm asked. So you said about that study and learning, study and learning. That is very nice. So this is the three things I'm asked the questions. So this three is it will going to relate to yes. Okay. So why means so far we were discussed about operational amplifier OPAM. Then next one more is a triple five timers. So OPAM and one more is a triple five timers. So OPAM is a boys and a triple five timer is a girl. So, okay, girls, like you were going to say, what the question I am asked, third question, what is purpose you are coming to the college? Study and learning. Boys also coming for the same, girls also coming for the same. Similarly, either you have used for the operational amplifier or you will going to use for the triple five timer. So both also what is the purpose means the first and prime most purpose is to generate the pulse with modulations. So generate the square wave. So it's in a simple to say duty cycle or pulse with modulations. So that is a major purpose for the operation amplifier as well as a triple five timer. So I already said the ADE is a brain. The ADE it's a related to your human body parts. So there are two things. One is a converter, second one is a controller. If you are going to study in the power electronics, you coming to know that one. One is converter, second one is a controller. Okay, converter means what? Convert one form to another form conversions. So for example, moving. So moving means I want to move the cell phone from my right hand side to the left hand side. I move my cell phone right hand side to the left hand side. It's a moving. This is called a conversion. So conversion, this is called a conversion. So who is going to giving the command? It's a brain. The brain is giving the command. That is called the brain. Okay, that is a ADE. ADE is unlock and digital electronics. So it's a controller. I'm simple to say about that one. It's a controller. It's a brain. Who is the brain? Who is that one? It's a brain is a controller. So giving the command. Hey, you can move from the cell phone in the left hand side to the right hand side. So simply the converter is working. Suppose the controller is not giving the commands, does cell phone is move from right hand side to left hand side? No. So only that one, okay, command is giving from that controller. So who is a controller here? It's a so many controllers there. You may know about that one Arduino controller. What is there? Arduino means microcontroller is there. Arduino is microcontroller, Texas Instrument DSP controller. So DSP controller, FPGA controller. So these are the standard of the increasing the controller names. So controller names. So olden baby is a microprocessor. Olden days baby of the controller name is called microprocessor. Then recent days you are using for microcontroller only. So that is about that one. Even that name you have see that one Arduino. What type of a controller microcontroller is used means Admega. So Admega microcontroller is you are using. So everywhere controller is there. Controller. Okay. See. Then operation amplifier is a controller. 555 is a controller. Is it possible this controller is used to control the fan? Yes, it is a possible. You can go to give the commands to the commands. So commands to the converter. So commands you will going to give. Who is going to give the commands? A 555 timer or operation amplifier. These two is the commands they will going to give. It doesn't need any programming. But this is specialty. What is the specialty? A 555 timer or that operation amplifier doesn't need any programming. What about microcontroller? You need to type the programming. So you need to type the programming. That's all. So this is a difference between this it's a unprogramming controller and a programming controller such as the Arduino. So you're using the programming Arduino and the DSP and the FPGA. So these are the programming controller. Okay, coming to the point number 2. Then another second purpose is I'm say it's a timer application. Timer application. 555 is used for the timer application. What are the timer application means? There are two examples I said about that one. What is that one? For understanding purpose only I'm said about that one. It's a bomb blast. I want to make the bomb blast for that. After 15 minutes the bomb should be blast into that the concern of the place. We'll take one place. So okay, that is a 15 minutes. So keep that one and it will go to blast. So it doesn't need anything. So setting the time, or I want to set about the 10 minutes after that to blast. Okay, So this is one type of the method, that is name is called astable. So related to that one, this is called astable multi-vibrator. Then second one is a cell phone bomb. What is a cell phone bomb means? So cell phone used to trigger. So I kept the cell phone in that someone of the place. So someone, okay, in that nearby, that someone, if they are taking the cell phone and touching, and then touching means immediately it will go to blast. Okay, or say, I will going to make a call to blast. So this is called a cell phone bomb. Cell phone bomb is nothing but activation is needed. So if it is a, I kept on one place, next 5 days no one is touched the cell phone, does it will go to activate it? No. I kept the cell phone in someone place. Okay, next 5 days no one is touching the cell phone. It it does not activated. It does not activated. So this is a type, second type. So this is called a monostable. Mono means one. So activation, one signal you are going to activate it. So that's all about that. There are the thing. There are types. So one is astable. Second one is a monostable. So one more stable is there, that is called a bistable. So bistable means what is that one? So you will going to on time as well as off time both also you will going to give the pulse comments. So on time as well as off both also you will going to give the times. So that is about that bistables. So first you will going to learn about these two only. Okay, as per the syllabus you will going to learn about astable as well as monostable. And I will go to tell you. So this is about that, what is that one major purpose is I mean give the square wave controller. It's very nice. As an electrical engineer you should be learn this is only. So I will show you a video, then I will coming to the practical class laboratory. So first one I will going to tell you, okay, generate the square waveform. So generate the square waveform to give the commands controller brain. I will show you that one first. First one you will going to learn about that one. I said, okay, 555, it is a not needed any program. Okay, it is a one of the brain controller. It will going to do the controller. I will going to show you the circuit diagram and making that one. Okay, stop, excuse me, I think I played wrong video. Track, no. Yes, is it is visible or not? Yes, it is a visible, I think. Okay, come on. Already I gave you one pictures. So I'm asking you to keep on the wallpaper. This is a picture number 2. Please all of you take the screenshot. This is a picture number 2. You always keep it in your wallpaper. So that picture number 1 is the operation amplifier is used. The operation amplifier used to, you can give the comments to the converter. So this is a converters. So you will going to give the operation amplifier to give the comments to the converters. Then this is a picture number 2. This is the only measure of the second one. Okay, 555 timers. So this is a picture number 2. Give the comments to the converters. So this side is the box is mentioned in the box is the converters. So converter is there here. So this is a 555 timers. So 555 timer, it is used to give the comments to the converters. Okay, give the comments to the converters. Okay, so this is a controller is nothing but it's a brain. The brain, it is going to give the comments. The brain is giving the comments. So you have see that one. See, here is a 555 timer IC is used. Okay, does it is any activation signal is used? 2 and 6 is a sorted. If 2 and 6 is short, if we are going to make the short circuit, this is called astable. If I am not sorted the 2 and 6, suppose externally I will going to give the signal to the pin number 2. Okay, negative pin I will going to give. If you are going to give means that is called a monostable. That's all. This is the difference between astable and the monostable. Once again I will repeat to you. What is astable? Pin number 2 and pin number 6 is sorted. If you are going to sorted means that is called it is called astable. So no need for that any, okay, any signal. What is monostable? So pin number 2, okay, pin number 2 you will going to give the external, okay, external commands. Negative signal you will going to give the pin number 2. If it is you are going to give means that is called it is a monostable. Okay, so coming to that one, this is a total point. So who is he? So here is I'm using for that higher ranges of the current. I really thank to that this one of the people he's developed about that this is a video. So like you also develop the video, so it is available in YouTube only. So for very nice about sorry, 555 timers explanation, it is helpful for me. Okay, coming to here. So who is that one means mediator. So mediator. So why mediator is needed? Why mediator is needed means you may be noticed about some of the film. So uh, even those who are the died peoples, even your grandfather, those who are died, that people they will going to interacted to that their son. Okay, sorry, don't consider much about it, don't make that very close. Okay, so for example, grandfather, so grandfather want to talk to the son. So grandfather want to talk to the son, so they will going to use the one of the mediator. So some film they are showing about that one. So grandfather is there, grandfather, the grandfather is, if he is talking to the son directly, he is not hearable. So they will use one mediator. So they will going to use the mediator to talk. So similarly, here is a pulse is generator, but here is a high power circuit. If high power circuit, you will going to directly giving the commands to that this is a gate terminal. If you are going to give the commands to the gate terminal, what happens? Sometime it is a possible to flow certain high powers. Once high power is a flow, these total control circuit will going to get the failed. The total control circuit it will going to get the failed. That's why what we are going to do. So one mediator that is called the optocoupler. Optocoupler we will going to use. So if I have see this is a triac. It's a triac is used for the AC to AC converters. For example, fan control AC input. They are taking the AC input and the controlled value they are giving to that ones. That's all. This is the main circuit. So please all of you take this screenshot. And this is second one of the circuit for ADE, main heart of the circuits. Okay, I will going to show you. Okay, then next what they will going to do, they will going to need the power supply. So power supply they will going to make the power supply. So 9 volt battery they will going to use, and they develop the battery and the switch they will going to do that one. Okay, so 555 timer IC they will going to make the connection as per the circuit. So they will going to connect make the connection as per the circuit. Yes, this is opto coupler they are going to connect it. Then triac. Then output they will going to will go directly to the result. Yes. So they will going to check the power supply. So AC power supply they will going to give here. So AC power supply you can give directly here. Neutral point is directly go to that lamp, directly connected to that your load. Okay, only pace only they are through the one triac. Okay, what is the voltage? 120 voltage they are going to give. So they are using one lamp. Okay, so see that one they are giving the triggering once it is coming automatically it will going to glow. That's all. If I will going to vary that one also variation. So what is the variations? You said you have learned about that one variation of that on time and off time variations. Like you will going to vary. If you are going to vary means what it will going to come. So here is a pulse with modulation is varying. It's a gate terminal. So this is a gate terminal. It will go to variation of the gate terminal. See that one. See the LED. It will going to get the variations. Similarly, they will going to use for that motor. So motor they can use for that one. See, one 555 timer IC used to you will going to drive the motor. So one of the that is called as a induction motor. So similarly, fan you can say. So they will going to drive. Okay, connected. So capacitor of the induction motor they will go to internal connection. They are not to do it. So they will do on the externally capacitor. Yeah, fan also it consists of that one capacitor. Okay, capacitor. It is not a capacitor short, capacitor run by type of the method. Okay, they are making the connection. That's why. Okay, there are four wires coming out from that motor. Two for that base and neutral. Two for that capacitor. This is a capacitor run induction motor as usual fan. Okay, so they are connected. Yes, give the signal. If they didn't give the signal means, so controller is not giving the pulse, the motor is not rotated. If I will going to see the variations, so I'm going to change that one. If I'm going to change it, the output is a more. Why? It's a pulse with respect to the pulse. Okay, see that one. So variation is important about how it is a variations. So very less pulse you want or more pulses you want. Okay, So that's all about that 555 timer. First main purpose I am explained the 555 timer. This is only heart of the electrical engineers. You will going to give the commands controller commands to that. This is a triac. Okay, thank you.